Do trans people have the brains of the sex they identify as? Although there are some differences between the brains of men and women, comprehensive studies have proven time and time again that these are negligent and that any differences are typically lied to brain plasticity and gender socialization.
Ever pondered the differences between male and female brains? Let's dive right in. First, men's brains are approximately 10% larger. But hold on, size doesn't equate to intelligence. In women's brains, the corpus callosum, the bridge between the two hemispheres, is thicker. This could explain why women are often better at multitasking. Men's brains have more gray matter involved in muscle control, while women's brains have more white matter, responsible for communication between different brain regions. Remember, these are general trends and individual differences may vary greatly. Isn't the human brain fascinating? For more bite-sized insights, keep tuning in. Until next time, stay curious.
For example, an article by neuroscientist Lise Elliot points out that while men's overall brain size is about 11% bigger than women's, unlike some songbirds, no specific brain areas are disproportionately larger in men or women. Brain size is proportional to body size, and the brain difference between sexes is actually smaller than other internal organs, such as the heart, lungs, and kidneys, which range from 17 to 25% larger in men. When it comes to the brain, some animals do indeed exhibit sexual dimorphism, such as certain birds whose brains contain a song control nucleus that is 6 times larger in males and is responsible for male-only courtship singing. But as we demonstrate in our exhaustive survey, nothing in human brains comes remotely close to this. When overall size is properly controlled, no individual brain region varies by more than about 1% between men and women, and even these tiny differences are not found consistently across geographically or ethnically diverse populations.
I am very wary of things like this. When you start trying to find physical identifiers to see if people are trans or not, or to prove that someone is trans or prove that someone is cis, you get very transmedicalist, and it would be very easy to tell a group of trans people that they can't be trans because your weird machine said that their brain is cis.
While some studies have claimed to show differences between a so-called cisgendered brain and a trans brain, this only shows that there is a difference between the brains of people who believe they are of another sex and those who acknowledge their own sex as fact. The overwhelming evidence of a lack of differences between the brains of men and women does not negate that structural differences exist for other reasons, such as mental illness.